Hello again. This is Math 1120 coming to you from the College of DuPage. And the title of this lecture is 1120 ebook Fall 2021 Epilogue. This should work. As always, be an attentive learner while watching this video. By way of introduction, I'm reminding you that this textbook is not required, but some students like the extra exercises and the additional explanations that are found in the book. I did this ebook to make things easier for students who wanted a book. But I remind you that for many, my notes have been enough. There is a PDF in your syllabus tab for additional reference, and our hero, or heroine in this case, is the Pearson ace, Carly Olden, who reached out expertly from the middle of Hurricane Ida's intensity to solve this problem when 6 other people had failed to do it. My authentic thanks to her. So here is the URL that you can provide to your students. I'm doing it here so they can easily register for this digital connection. Now this is the brand new link, so it is this one, and you probably have to type it in because I don't think this is a hot link here and you can't click on this button. So this one, and type it in to get there. And so I provided it to you, and this is the same link as this one. Once you hit that, you will go to a place and you will log in or create an account, and then you will eventually get to this tab. Now this will say Spring 2021, but underneath that it says Fall 2021. So that's the fix that Carly and some of her associates did put in for us. So you're really doing the Fall 21 version. And there are 2 ways that this can happen. You can have an access code. So if you bought one from the bookstore, that you redeem your access code here. If that doesn't, if you didn't get an access code from the bookstore, you can buy it online for $105. Okay, here's some frequently asked questions. What do I need to get started? Now that you have a course invite from your instructor, you have this from me. This is what you're looking at right now. You need a Pearson account and either a credit card to buy it or an access code that you purchased from your bookstore. What is an access code and how does it work? An access code is prepaid access to Pearson course material. If your digital collection has an access code option, you can buy an access code from your campus bookstore. When you are ready to access your course, enter the code that you receive from your bookstore. Each code is unique to a Pearson course material. And I hope the bookstore got this right, but Pearson has it right now. How do I buy digital collections? Well, you can also, if you didn't buy an access code from our bookstore, you can use a credit card, PayPal, or the access code, and contact your instructor to find out whether you have the option of purchasing an access code for your digital collection. You should have that through the bookstore, so you do have that option. You do not have to contact me about that. Okay, what is a course link and how does it work? To access the Pearson material for a course, you need a unique invite from your instructor. That's what I'm giving you right now in this video. And I am also attaching this in your syllabus tab. Your instructor might share this link by email on your syllabus or through class setup materials. I'm doing that multiple ways. Click the link. Actually, I told you have to type it in. And select the access option, one of these that's right for you, to create or access your Pearson account. So what we've been doing is we're using the Sullivan book about statistics for the first part of the course. And so what you have is, what have we done in the course so far? Well, Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, and part of Chapter 7 is what we've covered term to date, and more or less. There is at least one thing I'm going to talk about back here, but more or less that's what we've covered. Now we do a bunch more statistics, so there are other chapters that will be covered, and we'll do statistics until midterm, and then for the balance of the course we're going to do physics. That's a different book, and it's in the same ebook, and that's the reason I did it, so we'd have one book rather than two. But anyway, that's the second half. Both physics and statistics are in the ebook, and again, I want to emphasize this ebook or the physical books are not required for the course. And contact Pearson Support if this does not work for you. And I guess I could say, and don't contact Linda, because she's not getting paid enough to deal with these kind of issues. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. And now more than ever, take care of yourself and of each other. We're all in this together. May God bless you all.